Rats don't run anymore. When you're walking past, they stand up and look in your face as if they're saying hello and goodbye.
And this right here, students, is what you should follow. Why this man teach you about gay shit? I will play Call of Duty. Yo, who that? Hold on, why is there another student in my class? Tommy have a gun. The freak you mean Tommy have a gun? I did my shoot people. The man them legit pat me down and do one cavity search. Oh, him come in with a gun. When a wire ask me. Open the door, Jason. I saw you. Yo, we need to do something, bro. Shit. Okay, students, you know the procedure. Get under the table and hide. Wait. Said go under the table? I know you're new, Dante, but that's the procedure here. Get under the table. The man I'm gonna kill with. Exactly. And we're gonna be famous after this. Like, imagine what the news is gonna say, dude. Like, think about it. 21 dead, no savage intended. That's bars, and he gets it. Wait.
So you want to tell him, general?
I want to fear, just fear the side.
I fear? Just fear off his side?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see how it works. It's a vibrator. Pull it steady. Blood clot.
How about going?
Eh? No.
You can't see it?
Eh?
You can't see it?
No, well, no. Between me and you. If like you line upstairs, yes sir, yes the man said.
Yeah.
But me touch it just a while ago. Hypothetically, and it got so.
Jesus Christ.
Guys, no move at all, the fuck. No move. No move the fuck. Okay, Bumbuka, see that, can't jump it. Move back slowly, fuck. Dog, Bumbuka. Dog, a 4 fucking dog. Bumbuka, dog. Bumbuka.
A robber broke into my house and killed my husband.
So what you're saying is you're single?
I'm hiding in the shower.
Without me?
I'm in my bedroom.
What would you do if I was there?
Covered in blood and I'm only wearing underwear. Please send an ambulance.
Underwear? Take some pics.
Give me now.
Me $50 candy, you know.
Yeah, use iPhone. I want to plus. I hope your life fix here. They say God we provide, man. Come on. Come here.
Make I tell you something. Don't fuck with my food.
Mama.
Don't fuck with my food.
I'm not a scammer. Don't do that. I can do it, but don't do that. I'm not a scammer. Don't do that. I can do it, but don't do that.
Do something productive with my life, you see me? Cause I the shepherd fuck sheep, and I the girl fuck Steve, you see me? And Steve a waste man, so you know I'm be a I the girl. Don't fuck Steve.
You cannot trick me. You cannot trick me.
Anything shoot up when shower your ass.
Don't fuck that.
Can't fling. Can't fling.
lad said, looks up. Jesus Christ, I think we need a filter. Could you put a filter on it?